Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Zar. I deal in two particular areas in medicine. One is the biochemistry, the other is endocrinology. Endocrinology is the study and the treatment of hormones, whereas biochemistry is the mathematical precision. It is the mathematics in medicine. It is the subject where there is no theory involved. Primarily, biochemistry determines every single molecular changes that take place in the body and how they impact. The other part where we deal with illnesses is endocrinology. Endocrinology is the study of hormones and its disorders and the treatments that we do along with it. Every disorder has a treatment plan. We do things very differently. I make sure that we do not compromise the the internal part of the human chemistry at all. So, welcome once again, and you're free to go and explore.